We'll practice finding the volume of a cylinder and a cone with the same dimensions. Here's the problem. A cylinder has radius 4 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. Use pi approximately 3.14. Part A, find its volume. Part B, a cone with the same radius and height. Find its volume and state the relationship. Here are diagrams of the cylinder and the cone, each with radius 4 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. First, find the volume of the cylinder using the formula V equals pi r squared h. Plug in pi equals 3.14, radius 4, and height 10. 4 squared is 16, times 10 gives 160. So the cylinder's volume is 502.4 cubic centimeters. Now find the cone's volume. A cone has 1/3 the volume of a cylinder with the same base and height. So the cone's volume is 1/3 of 502.4. That gives approximately 167.47 cubic centimeters. So the relationship is the cone's volume is 1/3 of the cylinder's volume. Remember, for a cone with the same base and height as a cylinder, the cone's volume is exactly 1/3 of the cylinder's volume.